Welcome to Eduthon 2023, organized by Teachers Help Teachers in association with India International Education Expo. Hi, I'm Rakhi Chabria, the founder of Teachers Help Teachers, and I'm super excited to invite all you educators at the Eduthon 2023 being organized in Greater Noida on 28th, 29th and 30th of April. The Eduthon event is completely free for educators, so you don't have to worry about any registration charges and just show up in huge numbers. This event is spread across 3 days, and each day is going to be having loads and loads of learning opportunities for all, where we invite educators across all boards and grades to come and indulge in professional development sessions and try to understand topics right from implementation of NEP in our classrooms to the impact of AI tools in our curriculum. Day 2 is Hackathon. If you have created an innovative teaching aid, or if you're somebody who's got loads and loads of creative ideas, then this hackathon is a must for you. In this hackathon, we invite educators to come and showcase or display their best teaching aids or best teaching practices which they have tried to help increase the engagement of the learners. The best winner stands a chance to win vouchers worth 5,000 rupees and loads of other prizes. So please be sure that you register for the hackathon and fill up the form in order to participate for this hackathon. Day 3 is Tapathon. Tapathon is again something where we have curated loads of board games and movement games for educators to come and understand how games can be incorporated into the curriculum to make learning fun. So make sure that you are going to be there on all the 3 days, 28th, 29th and 30th of April, to make the most out of this learning opportunity which is being presented in your city on the 28th, 29th, 30th. So we hope to see you in huge numbers. Thank you.